Question, should businesses express political opinions? Wow. Time starts now. And here's the answer. You better know what's going to happen before you do. And because it's a choice, okay? It is a choice. So I will tell you, I believe that businesses should be clear about their values. I believe businesses should be clear about communicating what matters to them and what matters to not only the owner, but the enterprise together. Okay, what matters? However, there's a difference between standing for values and standing for a political position. And I'm not going to tell you what to do, but I'm going to tell you the facts of your decision. The facts of your decision is if you choose to take a political stance, you're basically going to alienate 50% of your potential customers.